Hello, Namaste. Today we are here near Ottapalam to see a wonderful eco-friendly house. So I got really amazed, and this is something which all should know about. And I think we have to replicate such houses so that we can minimize the effect of global warming and we can stay healthy without using the ACs and all. I have so many things to share with you. So he is Ram Kumar sir, the idea behind the entire this eco-friendly house. He has the idea and efforts and all the research done by him, and so patiently he made this house. Let me introduce Ram Kumar sir to you. Namaste sir.
Namaste.
Uh,
Namaste.
so this is entirely eco-friendly house, right?
Yes.
And all these are the regular Kerala tiles.
Kerala tiles.
And I'm so much interested about the bricks you have used.
Yeah.
But before going inside the house, I would like to show you the well here. So let us look at the well. So this is a traditional well, but it is having this amla wood inside the water, which makes the water pure, and also it's more like rasayana. So starting from the outside house, you can see what how the eco-friendly house will be. Then we have this nice pillars from Kanyakumari.
Manjadi.
Oh,
Manjadi bricks.
Manjadi.
Sorry, Manjadi rocks.
Rocks. So nicely carved and used so nicely. We have a nice bell here. So, and see the floor, traditional red oxide floor. It's so good for health actually. When you put tiles, so many people are suffering with arthritis when they stand on the tiles. It's so nice and so traditional. But the highlight of this house is not all these things. Highlight of this house is the bricks they have used. See, these bricks are bricks, no plastic on the bricks. These are hollow bricks. I said, where did you get these bricks from, sir?
From Bangalore, Kunigal.
Oh, Kunigal in Bangalore.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Manufactured by Wienerberger. Wienerberger.
Yeah.
From German-based company.
German-based company. So these are hollow bricks. Actually, will not allow excess heat inside the house, and because they are hollow, they were not wasting a lot of cement, lot of material. So a lot of material is being saved here, and temperature control is the main important part of this natural sustainable houses. So see, there is no plastic, and the finish, if you look at the finish, it looks so nice, as if someone has designed meticulously, made all these lines and all those things, grooves and all those things. So it's so nice. And obviously the main door, it is made up of pure teak wood, so nicely made, nicely, the traditional teak wood doors. And again, if you come inside, so please come, sir. So you can see the entire house, so nicely designed, beautiful wall, and you don't have to do anything to get this finished. This so beautiful and nice finishing, and the kind of this thing done in between, grooves done in between, are so nicely done, sir.
Yes.
And you have to then look up. So if you look at the ceiling, the same hollow bricks are used to make the
Maruti pillar blocks.
Oh, Maruti pillar blocks. So they have used the hollow bricks to make the ceiling. Before they put the concrete, only they have arranged all the bricks after doing the centering, right?
Centering,
so they kept the bricks and they cut it in a specific shape, and then they put the rods, and then they put the concrete.
Put the concrete and
Finished. And it looks so elegant. See, as if someone did some special, ceiling, artificial ceiling or something like that. And the best part is, because there are hollow bricks, they will not allow excess heat to come inside. There will be at least a minimum difference of 2 to 3 degrees in temperature compared to other houses, because of this entire eco-friendly structure. So you can see.
Staircase also same.
The staircase is again made up of wooden, pure teak wood. So very rarely you see such staircases in newly built houses. Old houses you can find, but newly built houses, it is impossible to find. So it's a masterpiece, I can say. It's a thing of beauty. So I would like to ask you, where did you get this inspiration from?
So I am learning the such building materials last 20-25 years. I am researching the. So many of the manufacturers, brick manufacturers, houses, construction. My friends are there. Many of the engineers are there.
Yes.
So discuss, and I am decided such a plan and such a building.
Wonderful. This is like, you made a role model building. And I learned from your son that you are giving guidance and help to other people who are trying to build with eco-friendly bricks like this thing.
Okay, sir, I'm doing
It's great. It's great. Because, like what I heard from his son is like their idea is not to use AC and other things which are causing a lot of pollution and also causing ill health. So this will help us in peak summer when month of April or May, when you can see the strength of Lord Sun. So when you come inside the house, you can feel the difference, how good it will feel. So when you are investing a lot on your house, because that is the place you will spend your entire life in. When you are investing so much of money, I think you should think about sustainable living. You should think about construction models which will preserve our nature, which will not do any harm to the nature, which will keep you comfortable, which will make your health better. So this is one such masterpiece. I am so lucky to be here, sir. Thank you so much for inviting.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And I hope you will build thousands of houses like this. So many people are interested. Maybe for me also in the future, you should give guidance and inspire other people to build such houses. These are the need of the hour, sir. We have Dr. Ranadhir here. He's also an Ayurveda doctor, and he's working in Mysore in Indus Valley Ayurveda Center. So because we are both are Ayurveda doctors, we got this connection, and I'm lucky to come here. He has invited me for dinner and lunch. But more than the lunch is also very tasty, and by the way. But more than that, this house is a feast for eyes. So what do you feel about this house?
Actually, it's not only our house. It's what I say. It's our dream project.
Yeah.
Because more than we have what I say. It's just a dream for us.
Yes.
But he worked for. My father worked
Lot
for
of
a
work.
lot, like 25 years. He's worked for this.
Yes.
And 1.5 year he didn't look after his business, and also he just worked. He built this kind of house.
Yes.
And mainly our motivation or our aim to do that. First of all, we are just living in Palakkad,
Yes.
which having 48-45 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
So, and most of the persons there, like buying the ACs, and
Yes.
even ACs also it's spoil our atmosphere.
Yes,
That also leads to this kind of atmosphere
Yes.
pollution.
Yes.
So we have that plan. Like we already plan to make that like roof will be in especially like this, which is
Pillar
like
roof.
made up of
Yes.
clay. So we just researched about that. Then my father, I'm not telling me, my father he bought this from the Bangalore.
Yes.
Then we just studied about more and more. We just saw so many houses.
Yes.
We just investigate about what all are the benefits.
Yes.
And at the same time, there must be the disadvantages also.
Yes.
We just go through that also. Then we just build the house.
Yes.
So for the building the house itself, we just took 3 to 4 years.
Yes.
For the complete studies and the investigation.
Yes.
So that's the main.
Yeah, it
process.
is like Agnya. You did the research and development, and then it's the whole thing is very motivating and inspiring. And I should say that it is like a museum. Everyone should see and then go and replicate it.
Actually, it's really pathetic to say as a Keralian in Kerala, they should make a model like
Yes.
us, because previously all the homes are like this only.
Yes,
when
exactly,
you see
exactly.
in the Kerala,
Exactly.
and especially I don't whether you like most of the person they observe that all the Kerala houses they are like in this
Tiles.
conical,
Yes, yes.
conical shape.
Even the temples.
Yes, temples.
Yes.
Because the atmosphere which is suitable
Yes.
for here, what they are built at the house
Yes.
at that time
Yes,
itself.
yes.
But nowadays they don't know about the Vastu science. the Vastu Shastra means it's a science only.
Yes.
So that's why we also come to like eco-friendly.
Yes. So we have Dhiraja, who is doing her masters and preparing for UPSC. She wrote, just yesterday you wrote your prelims, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell me more about your experience while building this house. What pains your father took? Please tell more about this.
Like as you told earlier, like as my father also told, like each piece, each material are selected personally by him, but not just it's this beauty is not just because of the materials, also because of the craftsmanship.
Exactly.
Everything, every work is done by local experts. Everything, like even the red oxide, like this was done by a person who's living nearby.
Okay.
The tuna, like it's called tuna in Malayalam, pillars.
Okay.
It's the stone was purchased from Kanyakumari, but the carving are done by locally,
Local people.
Keralites only. Like everything is personally done. Even this,
The
like
finishing,
it
yes.
took almost, even the painting people took almost 3 to 4 months just to correct this. Like I think as much as the materials, the craftsmanship is also plays a very important role in building this.
And I
beauty.
appreciate the fact that you have selected the local people.
Yes,
and-
actually we have local people who are
Yes.
best at everything.
Yes.
The thing is that nowadays people want to go behind the post stuffs and don't appreciate the local craftsman.
Yes. And if we don't do this, see, preserve the art, people will forget and they will put tiles only.
Actually, it will shine more. Like it's only like 4-6 months something only we have.
Yeah, the more you
shifted
use it, the more it
the
shines.
more we use, it will even like trespass. It will even cross the beauty of a tile. It will shine just like a mirror. That's the beauty of red oxide.
That's true. And that we have, yesterday I went to one house, I have seen it. It's like literally what you were saying. Maybe we can see your face. It's shining like that.
Yeah.
So that art must be preserved.
Yeah, even the wood, like even the door is made by local. We call them ashari. Like they are the body is it's single piece. Everything, the windows, the door, everything, even the stairs. We brought the wood, and it was made from this house. Everything is made from this house with my father's guidance.
Oh, it's so nice. And the main thing is like you have children who appreciate your efforts. Otherwise, nowadays children, they think like my father is old, he's thinking old way. Why he is doing like this? Maybe we can put some tiles and nice modern architecture and all those things. But both your kids, you are blessed, sir. Both your kids are appreciating. They know the value of this sustainable living. I'm so happy to meet your daughter and your son, sir. So nice. Thank you so much, Amma. All the best for your UPS exams. Very soon you should become a IAS officer and civil servant and take up this important task of sustainable living to the masses.
Sure, sir. I really hope your words come true and that I can help a lot of people.
Yes. Namaste.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.